Hey guys, Blake Holbrook with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out the 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. So starting way back here on your extended rear swim platform, we do have this boat optioned with your submersible swim seat here. So that seat is gonna just drop right down into the water and give you a spot to sit in the water or another way to climb up into the boat. We'll work on over a little bit. This boat does have Mercury's 400 horsepower V10 on the back. So it is a ton of horsepower for this boat. This boat could easily run 55 miles an hour with a couple people on board. You got this awesome tow bar. Take full advantage of that 400 there. You can hook up a tuber or a skier and pull them as fast as you want to go. And new for 2025 is this lily pad ladder here. So that is a really cool option that Harris is providing now. It's got this tether where you just quickly release and you can lower the ladder on down into the water just like that. That tether also makes it pretty easy to pull it on back up. Awesome new feature for 2025 on board here. We'll take a quick look at our lounger. So this lounger is specific for the Grand Mariner. You got a couple different positions you can rock it into there. And then these seats will come up and act as adjustable seat backs on all the Grand Mariners here. This chestnut brown interior does make for a super cool look, easier to keep clean than a lighter interior. We'll make our way in towards the cockpit and you'll see that we're getting a good bit of shade from on top of our tower here. So on top of this tower, you do have the tow point, and then LEDs along all the panels with tower speakers to go with the JL audio stereo system that's equipped on this Grand Mariner here. We'll take a quick look at the helm. This boat does have the dual SIMRAD screen, so you're able to set those up with however you want them to be split. You're able to use a chart plotter, Mercury engine management, stereo control, lighting control. Everything you need to know or need to control on board this boat, you're going to be able to handle on board those SIMRADs. Awesome option on this boat is this in-floor storage. You can see we've got the cover in there now, but that drops right into your center tune. Take full advantage of some storage in that space below there. So on these 250s, a ton of your space is up here in the bow. So to give you an idea, I'm about 6'3", and I'm able to stretch out in this bow, and there's still plenty of room in front there. And this ottoman, as well as this seat at the very front of the bow, are removable and movable throughout the cockpit of the boat. So if you ever want to leave this seat at the dock and have access to your front door here, you're able to do that whenever you want to. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrook.